Today, we will be removing the wings to set up the breast fabrication into what is known as an airline breast. We will remove the flat wing or the first joint along with the wing tip, leaving the drumette portion of the wing still attached to the breast. Begin by cutting completely around the bone, just above the elbow on the side that would be closest to the armpit. Complete dislocation of all connective tissue is the goal. Scraping the bone with either the blade or the spine of the knife will help ensure all connective tissue has been dislodged. Next, place the extended wing tip between your thumb and your index finger with the elbow resting at your pinky. Gently squeeze, pushing the wing tip opposite to its normal range of motion. This will hyperextend the wing backwards, allowing the joint to pop, removing the flat wing and tip cleanly. Once again, begin by cutting just above the elbow joint on the side closest to the armpit. Be sure to cut completely around the entire bone. Using the blade or the spine of the knife to scrape can be useful in removing the connective tissue. Next, grasp the extended wing firmly with the tip of the wing between your thumb and index finger and the elbow joint resting at your pinky. Gently squeeze and push the flat wing portion backward to its normal range of motion to pop the joint and remove cleanly. Next, we will fabricate the flat wing into Oriental wings, also known as cocktail wings or lollipops. Place the flat wing and tip on the cutting board so that it resembles a V or chevron. Cut through the elbow joint located at the top of the V and place the wing tip into the bone pile. Next, identify the wrist end and the elbow end. The wrist end will always have a little flap of skin still attached to it. With the tip of your boning knife, cut through the wrist and locate the small bone closest to the loose flap of skin. Holding both bones firmly with one hand, trace your remaining thumb and index finger around the small bone at the wrist end to dislodge any connective tissue. Once the connective tissue is broken, grasp the small bone and twist to separate it at the elbow. Be careful not to twist too hard and shatter the small bone. You may need to snip the elbow end with the tip of your boning knife if it becomes too stubborn. Once the connective tissue is separated, remove the small bone from the flat wing. Using the techniques you've learned earlier, encircle the remaining bone at the wrist end with your boning knife to break any connective tissue. Then use the tough outer skin to bunch the arm meat up at the elbow. This will expose or French the bone and then allow you to clean the ends by scraping with the blade. Remember, clean bones and proper use of product are the hallmarks of good meat fabrication.